Okay, very small patch in May. We're visiting Marsh Baldon Village Green again. You've got your ubiquitous nettles, and then you've got something that looks like very similar to a nettle, but it's a dead nettle. It has these white flowers on the stems. You've got various coloured snails. And here you've got a grass which is called a bent. It's called a bent because you've got bends in the stems. You've got one there, you've got one here. So in a very, very small patch of grass, you can see all sorts of different life. It's just right on your doorstep.